The next negative trait of the soul is when one often sins without sincerely repenting. According to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4244, when a person sins, a black spot is etched on their spiritual heart. This blackness increases until their whole spiritual heart becomes submerged in darkness. A hard-hearted person will become heedless to their duties and continue to sin. It is therefore important for Muslims to sincerely repent from major and minor sins, and persist in fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted. This will lead to a sound, pure spiritual heart. Chapter 26 Ash-Shu'ara, verses 88 to 89.
The day when there will not benefit anyone wealth or children, but only one who comes to Allah with a sound heart.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.